Hi, in art, we've been learning about scissor safety and we're learning about our five senses in kindergarten. So today we're going to use our scissors and we're going to cut out a Mr. Potato Head to help us learn about our five senses. First thing we're going to do is write our name on our paper. Please use your pencil and on the purple paper, write your name. Now you can put your pencil into the gray bucket because we're done with pencils. We've been learning about scissor safety. All the scissors in the art room have a small hole, that's for your thumb, and a big hole, and those are for your fingers. You should always cut away from your body. Say, away from me. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. We're going to start by cutting out Mr. Potato Head's head. It is a big brown blob and we're going to follow that brown line all the way around, just like this. We're going to hold the paper in one hand and carefully cut with the scissors using our other hand. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. Say, I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. When we're done cutting, we need to close our scissors and lay them down flat on the table. Then we clean as we go. We pick up our trash and we put that into the gray bucket too. Where my scissors are on one side, the other side is a good place for our scrap paper. We're going to use glue sticks to glue our Mr. Potato Head down. So we'll come back to the scissors and the yellow paper and pink paper and white paper in just a second. We'll take the side with our name on it and turn it over. That's the back. Our name is on the back. Where's our name? It's on the back. Then I'm going to take my potato. I can see the brown line where I cut. That's the side I'm going to put glue on. So I pop the top and I twist, twist, twist just like this. Just a little bit. And then rub my glue on. I always like to go around the edges a little bit. And then I twist my glue back down and cap it and snap it. Then I'm going to take my Mr. Potato Head and put him right in the middle of the purple paper because that's going to give me some room to label it. And press down, press down, press down. Now, Mr. Potato Head needs some eyes and a mouth and some arms. And so that's what's on our white paper. We have two ovals for his eyes. We have half an oval for his mouth. And we have two rectangles, and those are going to be his arms. So let's cut those out next. I'm going to hold my paper in one hand, and then with my scissors, I put my thumb in the little hole, my fingers in the big hole, and I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. Now I'm ready to do the next eye. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. Then I have his mouth. It has a big curve on it. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. And now we have a couple of rectangles. Those are going to be his arms. I clean as I go by putting my trash in the gray bucket. Now I need some arms. And you're going to have a little piece left over. You can put that little piece in the gray bucket too. When you're done cutting, close your scissors and lay them flat on the table. Now, I get my glue stick, I twist, 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 just like this. Just a little bit of glue sticking up. And then I need to put some glue on each eye. And where do my eyes go? Oh, they go up here at the top of my head. There's my other eye. It goes up here at the top of my head. And then here's my mouth. Does my mouth go under my eyes or over my eyes? Oh, I'm going to put it under my eyes. So I'm going to put my mouth down here under my eyes and press it all down good. Next, I have two arms. Let's see, does my arm go on the top of my head, the bottom of my head, or on the side? Okay, I'll put it on the side. So I put some glue, and then I push down. I put some glue, and then I push down. I want to make sure all my pieces are on my paper. Then I twist my glue stick back down so you can't see it, and then I cap it and snap it. That's starting to look like a Mr. Potato Head. Next, I need a nose and some ears. So you have this pink piece of paper. This is what we're going to make our ears and our tongue out of. I'm going to start by cutting one skinny piece for my tongue, and then I'm going to cut two curves for my ears. So I curve this way, and I curve this way. I turn my paper, I cut away from me, and I want to put a little curve on the end of his tongue too, because my tongue is not straight on the end, it's curvy. We could do the same thing with the nose. This nose is like a triangle, but you could put some curves on it because my nose is kind of round. If you want to. If you don't want to, that's okay too. But now it looks like a Mr. Potato Head nose. I clean as I go, and I put my trash in the gray bucket. It's time for me to glue down my ears and my nose and my tongue. So I twist just like this. I put a little bit of purple glue on my nose, and I'm going to put my nose right between his mouth and his eyes. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on his tongue, and I want that to go in his mouth. I have two ears. Let's see, should the ears go on the top of his head or the bottom of his head? Oh, the side of his head. I'm going to tuck that one under just like that too. Put a little more purple glue. And then I press down. And I like to tuck it under just a little bit. And then I twist my glue back down and cap it and snap it. We're almost done. Now, Mr. Potato Head's 5 senses. We have all of the words. So you're going to get a list of Mr. Potato Head's 5 senses. Here's your list of Mr. Potato Head's 5 senses. We're going to cut out each rectangle and we're going to label it. We're going to stick it down right on that part of Mr. Potato Head's head. So let's follow each rectangle. Just like this. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. I turn my paper. I cut away from me. And I need the big words at the top that say Mr. Potato Head's 5 senses. Good, now I'm ready to glue. So the first thing I need to glue after I twist, 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 just like this, I need to glue the words up here at the top that say Mr. Potato Head's 5 senses. So I put the glue on the back and then I push it down. And his first sense is seeing. So I'm going to put some glue on those words. And I'm going to put those up here next to his eyes. His next sense is hearing. So I'm going to put some glue on that. And I'm going to put it right here in his ear. Let's see. My next sense is smelling. Let me put some glue on that. And I'm going to put it right here next to his nose. His next sense is touching. Let's put some glue on that. And we'll put it right here by his arm. And his last sense is tasting. And I'm going to put that right here in his mouth. Oh, that looks so good. I can't wait to see how yours turns out. Oh, what else does he need? He needs some dots in his eyes.